Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I will be sharing the recipe of these delicious and healthy chocolate pancakes. I have made these pancakes without using all-purpose flour or sugar, and also I have not used eggs in it. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहते देन तळे थियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, first take 1.5 cup milk in a bowl. I have used regular teacups here. To that add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, give it a mix and set aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk and mix everything well. Now add half cup of jaggery powder. You can also use coconut sugar or date sugar. Whisk and mix till the jaggery dissolves. Now place a sieve and add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything together. Now whisk and combine everything. My batter seems a bit too thick, so I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk. Our pancake batter is ready now. Heat a pan and brush oil on it. Pour a ladle full of batter in round shape. Cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip the pancake. Cover again and cook for a minute. Our pancake is perfectly cooked now. Take it out on a plate. Likewise, make all the pancakes and drizzle chocolate syrup on top. You can serve it with any toppings that you want. And our delicious and healthy, tasty and fluffy chocolate pancakes are ready now. I have not used Maida or sugar in them, so these are perfect for breakfast. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.